Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
You're good.
I'm good. VP.
Yeah. Safi. Something.
Yes, sir. Gute, man. Bro. Yeah, bro. Yes.
It's very hard to see somebody from Burundi. Niryo jambo yashikirije Konde Boy canke Harmonize, CEO wa Konde Boy canke Konde Gang worldwide. Ni Sadbi novuga yuko agiye mu gihugu ca Tanzania aho yagiye kubaka amateka akomeye cyane. Amateka tubaze mu kanya muri Black TV ni big kuri micro. No munsi shazo turaya gatoyi ibiko biravugwa East Africa. Ni giteramo kimwe gusa Konde Boy canke Harmonize yateguye novuga giteramo yahuje abarinzi batandukanye bava muri East Africa cyo kimwe na West Africa bamwe nkuko mwabibonye kuri list y'abantu bari kuri iyo show ya Harmonize yashoboye gutegura show novuga amateka show novuga bwa ati #1 show ngiye gukora kuva natabwira concert yanje ni show ya mbere je guperforminga indirimbo zenga 60 kuri stage nizo ari ryamira bikoze azoba ari show y'amateka irenze kuko ni show novuga yuko igiye kwandika historia nini cyane mu muziki wanje cyo mu muziki wa bongo flava mu muziki wa East Africa. Aravuga ko azana kuririmba ku ndirimbo ya Ayora indirimbo arinze kuva kiri muri WC. Tuzovuga gatoye mu video Sadbi yavuze ariko gatoye ivyo Harmonize yavuze ariko gatoye tuzo kuri Sadbi wacu. Sadbi byameze gute? Amakuru dufise ubwa mbere rumwe bwa Sadbi ntazogenda ubundi mwati azogenda abandi bati Sadbi ntaronka itike kugenda abandi bati Sadbi ariko radiringa na Harmonize ubwo yamushe kumurihira itike yo gushikana mu gihugu ca Tanzania kubera yuko muravyumva yagiye gusupportinga muri ivyo mugenze ko ngari support ariko tuza kumufata neza nkuko yabikoze twavyiboneye ku kiwa c'indege ca Dar es Salaam ho yakiriwe nk'Umwami. Ni Sadbi rero bivugwa yuko ashaka kwajyana na team y'abantu bage batandatu bavuye muri Empire Army akajya tegeko Sadbi yahaye Harmonize ubwo yabashoye kurikora kandi bikavuga ko ashaka yarikoze kandi akamusa nuko yo mu girira uburinzi bwiza canke iyo mwakiraza kwiga c'indege ca Dar es Salaam. Sadbi rero atakureka amafoto ba mu gitondo mu bucugujwe ngwa mu gitondo iwacu yambaye impuzu zisa neza cyaba Sadbi yarutetu yambaye neza cyane yambaye impuzu ya Crown Royal ni impuzu novuga ko ariko Crown Royal musaza muziko Sadbi brand ambassador wa Crown Royal ya yiteze ndayambaye gushimu cha Tanzania niyo impuzu novuga yambaye gushikana yashitse muri press conference ategwe na Harmonize acambaye yampuzo nyene. Rero muri Tanzania yakiriwe gute reka turega toye murabe byemeze gute mwe ku masanamu Sadbi yakiriwe nk'umwami na bodyguard benshi cyane mu majamoroka nziza cyane arakigwa aragurukana muri hotel yashikiyemo ariko kubera yashitse mu mwanya novuga yuko conference de presse itanguye ntiyatevye yacagenda direct muri conference de presse n'ubu nabwiye yuko Sadbi chilinze mu gihugu ca Tanzania amakuru dufise atubwiye yuko muri kano kaje teguye cyane gusa gihugu cy'u Burundi mu gihugu ca Tanzania. Alright, reka ndabega toye mukurikirane urwo rugendo rwiwe mbega byagenze gute Harmonize yavuze gute muri ico gihugu ca Tanzania kuko yashikije avuga ati it's hard to get Sadbi muri no show yanje kuko no muri zakomesha mu gihugu cy'u Burundi amuteye amashugwe menshi cyane. Welcome to Black FM, Black TV, Black Media. Ushaka gusanga amakuru atandukanye ja kuri Facebook yacu wandike Black Media canke Instagram Black Media also wandike Black Media Burundi then ushaka amakuru atandukanye ava muri Black TV ari big ni amakuru ya Sadbi twatohoreza uko twabwira ninyazo ku stage ejo zobeka ninyazo ku stage mubibone vyose atankomanzi nimwe ndakunda cyane reka ndabake mu video Harmonize ushaka kuvuga mu gihugu ca Tanzania ashikiriza kuvyekiyo show yiwe ya Carnival agiye gukora ku munsi wejo na hirya yejo kwa Mungu harimwo ariko kwa Mungu barakuyemwo bivanye n'urongozi bwa Tanzania bamusavye yuko yo hihoza bivanye bategura mu gihugu ca Tanzania ku munsi wa Mungu ariko cyo bigiye kuba imisi ibiri ikurikirana mu gihugu ca Tanzania Konde Gang worldwide.
Shukuru Bongo Don alcohol kinywaji kipya hairuhusiwi kunywa kwa watu wenye umri chini ya miaka 18. Hivi kile una miaka mingapi? Lakini pia unatakiwa unywe kwa kiwango, usinywe sana kwa sababu kunywa bila kiwango ni athari kwa afya yako. So niombe wote ambao mnakunywa basi mnywe kwa kiwango kwa sababu hilo ndo target yetu sisi. Lakini nikizungumzia in detail, unaweza kujiuliza kwamba Bongo Don imetengenezwa wapi? Bongo Don ni kinywaji cha Kitanzania kabisa. Lakini hata vitu vyake ambavyo unaweza kutengeneza cocktail ni vitu ambavyo vinapatikana Tanzania hapa hapa. Unaweza kufanya cocktail kupitia mananasi, unaweza kufanya cocktail mbalimbali na ni bidhaa ya Kitanzania. So unapokunywa Bongo Don kama wewe ni mnywaji wa pombe basi unachangia uchumi wa Kitanzania pia. And we got something big coming. Me and Bongo Don, we are family already. I'm going to be back and tell everybody what we are going to do, me and Bongo Don. So you guys just stay tuned, stay connected. Harmonize, Konde Gang and Bongo Don. Sambamba na hilo pia tushukuru Zik Media, wamekuwa part of it. Zik Media is our family. Tunashukuru na tunafarajika kwa pamoja hapa leo. Lakini pia watu wote ambao wameshirikiana moja ama nyingine kuhakikisha kwamba tukio letu linaenda kukamilika. Binafsi ndo show ambayo nitaperform nyimbo nyingi kuliko show yote. Kwa sababu ndo show ambayo nitafanya nyimbo 60. Nyimbo 60. I just want to take you back where I started, where I came from. Kuanzia Yola mpaka Baharesa. And in case you wonder where Baharesa coming out, surprise, you guys just wait for it. But Baharesa is ready 100%, and I'm gonna drop it before my event, as I told you one day before the event. So you guys be ready anytime from now. You're gonna know who is Baharesa. Lakini pia, like I'm a seller, I'm so excited. Like I feel like I'm speechless. Babu. This one is gonna be special for me, and to show the world how East African we are connected. And that's where the point came from. Like, we're one, we're East Africa. We're going to put the things together and try to move like team. So I just want to thank all my friends, my brothers and sisters, ambao they're here already or on the way. We wish them well. We wish them safe journey. Wafike hapa salama tomorrow. We can start our program. We can start big show tomorrow, and Saturday going to be the end of the event. So nisingependa kumtaja mmoja mmoja, but I'm going to give a chance, kama mimi nilivyopewa nafasi, everyone to introduce himself and to say something how ready he is about it. Then I think after that we're going to have a sound check and yeah, some few interviews. Like, we are open. This is our event, so whatever you want to ask anyone, just go ahead. You don't need just to ask me, so you can ask Keely, you can ask Satbi, Shalom Wamba. We got road music, most talented person. We got Bwaxi, my brother Roberto, Moni Central Zone, my brother Dula Makabila, Chinga, the king of news, cool, Shidi, Angela, the Black Queen. Hao ni wasanii ambao wamepata nafasi kuja kwenye press conference, lakini hata pia wale ambao wenda wengine sasa hivi wanafanya sound check, wengine pia kwa majiani, wengine pia wanasafiri kuja hapa. So kwa upande wangu niwaambie tu kwamba nimejiandaa na nawashukuru sana for all support. We can't do this without you guys. Wewe ambao unatazama sasa hivi, wewe pia una record sasa hivi. There's no Konde Gang, there's no Afro East Carnival without you guys. Nimekuwa nikichanganya kidogo lugha ili wenzetu wageni pia waelewe, and this is international show. So it's like I'm hope 100% like the world is watching this. So we have to mix the language so we can make easy for everybody to understand what we're talking about and what we're going to do next. So I'm going to take this opportunity to welcome my brother, Roberto. My brother, welcome, say something, how excited you are, and what are you going to offer tomorrow and the day for tomorrow as well. Please welcome my brother.
Thank you. First and foremost, thank you so much, my brother Harmonize and the entire Konde Gang. I believe that African music is about unity. It's about bringing people together. Sometimes we might not really understand the language, but then we understand the music. You know,
sure.
If it moves you, it means that it's something special for you. And I'm very thankful that almost every year I come to Tanzania. It has become like home to me. And I'm very thankful to all of you guys for getting to talk about my music, getting to share my story. And it feels like it's something that we're doing together. it's just not about me alone. And I'm happy to see my brother here who's hired me before. You know, I was in Mwanza one time and it was because of him. So I'm very thankful. It was good to see him. Good to see my brother Ibra. We have a song together. But more importantly, you know, I feel like this is the beginning of good things for African music, you know, because we just might sit here and think, okay, this is just another press conference, but you never know. Among us, all of us here, one of us might just get to change the world via our music, you know, so it's a good time to start afresh and get to see what all of us can offer for the benefit of not only our countries, but for Africa as well. So I'm very thankful to all of you for coming out and get to cover our stories, our passion, and what we love to do best, which is music. So everyone here is very important, just like you are very important. So I'm looking forward to the Afro East Carnival. And yeah, I just want to give you all the best music, not only just Amarula. So yeah, I know you guys know Amarula, but there's like some more Roberto music. So yeah, we just want to give you some more music.
Yeah, and of course I just want to tell you guys exclusive Zandani Kabisa. Like me and my brother Roberto, we get a song together. So it's like gonna be surprised tomorrow on the stage. We're gonna drop that team for the first time, man. Let's do it for the culture, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Man. So it's like
brand new Roberto Harmonize.
Pull up. It's gonna be crazy, man.
Yeah.
That was my brother Roberto. I'm gonna be MC at the meantime, because most of them, like everybody you see here, is like most of them is my brothers, my friends. Yeah. So it's like, so it's a call from me, like, yo, my brother Roberto, pull up, let's do this for the culture. And the idea, where the idea came from, is like this. We're very proud to call our music Afrobeat. We're very proud to call our music Afrobeat.